Do you know, there is a new way to use CapCut Pro for free without downloading anything suspicious? And the best part is that this method is from CapCut themselves, which is a win-win situation for both CapCut and their users. And note that this might not be available or work for you based on your location. So first I have added a footage to the timeline and am going to add a pro feature to it and show you how this method really works. And you can add any pro feature that you want. You can add effects, filters, transitions, or even use advanced features like caption, AI, movement, and expand. So add any feature you want, and let's move to the next step. After adding all the features you want to use in your edit, then click on the export. And after trying to export the video you edited, this pop-up will show up, alerting you your export can't be possible because you have used a pro feature in your edit. And since you have not subscribed to CapCut yet, you won't be able to export your video if there are pro features in the video you edited. But this is where it gets crazy. If you look at the bottom of this prompt, you will see 3 buttons. But we will be talking about the Get Free Pro button, which CapCut has added here. And I have been using CapCut for a while, and this is the first time seeing this after updating the software to the latest version. And at the moment, I'm using version 8.2. So click on the Get Pro Free CapCut has added, and it will take you to the Invite Friends to get Free Pro. And this is from CapCut themselves, which means for each friend that installs and launch CapCut Desktop from your invite link, you will both get a 7 days free pro. And this is not only subjected to desktop, but can use the free pro through friend invite on mobile also. And you can also get up to 70 days free pro if you invite 10 people. And isn't that amazing? And if you want to maximize this and have more days, then watch to the end, because I will give a useful tip for that. And for this you don't even need a subscription to enjoy this. So you must be wondering where you can get your link to share with your friends and enjoy CapCut Free Pro. Before you can get your link unless you sign in to your account. So click on the sign in button and you can choose the account you want to use to sign in. And you can use your TikTok account, Facebook account, and Gmail. But I will be using Gmail for this tutorial, so I will click on it. Now follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your Google account. And after sign in, open CapCut again. Now click on Export, then select Get Free Pro. And when you get to the Invite Friends page, you can copy your personalized link and send to family and friends. And when they use your link to install and launch CapCut, both of you will get CapCut Free Pro for 7 days. And also remember, you can invite as many as 10 people. And when they use your link, both of you can get up to 70 days. And one useful tip is that when you have exhausted all invite, you can use another account and continue to enjoy. So try this method and let me know your feedback in the comment section. See you in the next video.